Chongqing Jiangbei Machinery Company Limited is an expert in centrifuges and a research and development base for centrifuges in China. It is also a famous professional manufacturer of centrifuge in China. Jiangbei, with profound historical background and industry experience, was founded in 1941 and began to develop and manufacture centrifuges since 1965. Our products have won the first place for many times in China. The first HR double-stage pusher centrifuge, the first horizontal decanter centrifuge, and the first kitchen garbage cleaning pulping machine are all manufactured in Jiangbei. Jiangbei has more than 100 technical patents and has been awarded the Special Contribution Award of China's separation machinery industry, and also the famous trademark both in Chongqing and in China. It is the chairman unit of the Chinese Separation Machinery Industry Association and advanced units of National Machinery Industry for Culture Construction. Jiangbei, with its rich technical experience, has developed more series new products and created a highland of centrifuge in China. The advanced leading products can be comparable to other international products. Continuous innovation, technology-driven development, creating a variety of quality products. Jiangbei upholds the specialized, refined, particular, and innovative development concept and continues to promote the maturity and perfection of product technology. Jiangbei has led the industry's technological development for a long time and has become the drafting and development unit for the technical standards for the three major centrifuges. The company has developed hundreds of specifications of separation machine, pharmaceutical machine, and environmental protection equipment, such as GKH series siphon peeler centrifuges, HR series of two-stage pusher centrifuges, LWD series of horizontal decanter centrifuges, in which GKH series of siphon peeler centrifuge, R&D, and industrialization has put to be in industrial application and become a breakthrough of starch processing equipment in our country. Jiangbei always adheres to market-oriented, professionally committed to the separation of machinery manufacturing. Now, we have developed into a manufacturer, integrator, and service provider of large-scale separation machinery, together with R&D, manufacturing, management, import and export, and service. The harvest of each honor comes from Jiangbei's unremitting pursuit of quality. The company has strong manufacturing equipment with an annual production capacity of 1,500 units, a well-established inspection system, and a sound quality system, which will make the production process more standardized and more stringent by the certifications from China Quality Certification Center and the National Machinery Industry Safety and Quality Standardization. The quality of products has been ensured. Always meet the user's needs as the pursuit of our goals. We also provide customers with complete solutions and full service. Jiangbei MOX strengthens its services and provides powerful technical support with quick sales service system, perfect after-sales service system, and strong maintenance power. We can solve problems for users at any time. Thoughtful and perfect service has won the trust and recognition of many customers. The company's main products are widely used in petroleum, petrochemical, metallurgy, mining, energy, non-ferrous metals, pharmaceuticals, food, chemical, environmental protection industries, and exported to 72 countries and regions. Based on China with global vision, Jiangbei always insists on foreign exchanges and cooperation. It has successively conducted technical cooperation with foreign companies from France, Japan, Belgium, and the United States. It also cooperates with many famous institutions of higher learning and scientific research institutions in China to carry out production, research, and development cooperation plans, persevering in the enterprise dream of national rejuvenation. and let the brand of Chongqing will be established as an outstanding representative of manufacturing in China. Chongqing Jiangbei strives to become the world's leading and respected expert of centrifuges in China with its outstanding products, innovative technologies, and perfect services.